Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. In this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can turn on email notifications on Pinterest. So, let's get started.
Watch till the end and don't forget to subscribe to Technologyglance by hitting the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update. Without further ado, let's get started.
First of all, open the Pinterest app on your device. Now, tap on your profile icon. Then, select three dots icon. Now, tap on settings. And then, select notifications. Open by email. Now, tap on the enable email option. And that's it.
Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we will love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get an update as soon as we post a video.